So guys, welcome to another video. Me and Lee are in West Wales today. We're at the Blue Lagoon. Isn't as nice as it's meant to be, but we are heading to it. Weather has took a turn for the worst, but we roll with it. We just travel whatever. So let's get into this video. So guys, there are a lot of people around today, so I don't know if there's going to be any photo opportunities, decent ones, because people do swim in the lagoon. But yeah, we're in West Wales. Don't exactly know the name of it. Next location is a beach with a waterfall that goes onto, which would be really cool for some long exposure shots. But yeah, me and Lee are going to go for a walk now, so on the way I'll show you some of the scenery. So guys, we decided to take the path less taken, and now we're in a wheat field. We'll go to the lagoon in a bit. We just wanted to explore a bit more because it was like 2.5 hour drive each way. Dedication to get out. But anybody want some Weetabix? Any Weetabix about?
That's what she said.
Look at this view, guys. Wow, I'm literally stood on the cliff edge. So then guys, we're currently just walking to the cliff edge. I don't know if we can call it cliff edge, but I'm gonna try and get some really cool drone shots of me and Lee standing on the cliff edge now. And look at it, no one around at all, because it's a bit far of a walk. Like I said, the main part of coming here was to see the Blue Lagoon, but that can wait for a bit. So guys, I'm currently just doing a long exposure over here. There is a really nice shot, but I'm got a zoom lens with me, where you could get this island in, or you can't see my finger, and then the little building. I'm trying to get with my 24 to 70. I'll just have to see it in processing the images if I got it or not. But it is very, very nice around here. So guys, this is the place that keeps on giving. I just did some drone shots of Lee and the scenery around here. We were just over there roughly. We've came to here now, and people have written stuff with rocks, and as you can see over there, there's some ruins. This sort of reminds me of Porthwen brickworks. We're gonna go down and have a look now. So we are here, some sort of old works, obviously. This place has so much to give, guys. I suggest coming down here. The car park's £4 for the day, which isn't really all that bad, to be honest, when there's lots to walk around like this and lots of scenery. So guys, Lee found like a pretty incredible spot. As you can see down there, there's like 3 different holes, like a sort of like a cave. It was good for photos. It was hard to get because obviously this is where I'm standing, and to get the tripod right. I think I did okay. So I will post the picture if it looks okay. I have taken some handheld ones as well. But this place just keeps on giving, as I've said before. So guys, we're just a bit further up from the ruins of them buildings. There's a rock over there with a sign on it probably. People are queuing up for selfies by it. There's one this side as well that people don't seem to be taking photos by for some reason, and obviously that's Lee. Check out his social medias, they'll be in the description. Here are the little ruined buildings, guys. I'm sorry that it ain't really a photography style of video today, it's more travel, but I have taken some photos and they will all be in this video. Hopefully I've got some decent shots, guys, because the amount of people that just walk in front of your shot and have no respect at all is unbelievable. But I got 2 or 3 shots from the front and side, so hopefully I got it. There's still a little bit to explore. I'm going to just see how it goes. Right then guys, so me and Lee are just chilling. Sorry I didn't get too much footage of that waterfall. It's just really hard, obviously it's a big thing. There's just lots of people around it. It's hard to even stay patient because I was stood there for about 10 minutes just to get one shot earlier. We're just chilling at the minute, so I'll get some more pictures and video footage in a bit.